Testing 1, 2, 3 on the mic. Testing 1, 2, 3 on the mic.
We're back at it again, baby. We're back at it again, baby. Yeah. Round 2, baby. We gotta paint this now. Cypher's got the coffee. He's got the goods. What's going on, Cypher? Say hello to the fans. Say hello to all the fans.
Oh my god. I wish it rained today.
Ah, damn you! Today's the first day in a long time that it hasn't rained. I'm so excited to paint this car. Finally, the Lord answered my prayer! Alright, just my luck that the clouds are back, but it's on and off, so I'm gonna lay down the primer. That's the main part while I get this little cover off. Ooh, let's see how it lasted over the past week. Because it does look like I could use a cheeky little sanding. One more sanding and then we can get it all spray painted with the spray gun.
We're on the car today. Today is, what's today? 28? Today's 28. November 2021. So what happens is he's sanding it down, preparing it for him to apply the primer, which then once he does that, then he'll apply some paint. See, he's just pop up. So don't worry, I'll edit that out. We'll edit that out so you don't have to be. Just keep working, keep going. Good stuff.
It's Surface professional film.
As you can see. Sarpa, galing ko! Ow! Sarpa, you're gonna be recorded now. Huh? Look at it, it looks so good, man.
Huh?
It's gonna be good quality.
Woo! Surfa, the man, the myth. Ah, damn it, it's so wet.
Is it fully charged?
What?
Your phone?
It's enough. Like, there's enough charge.
Ah, be careful. You're handling with wet stuff.
What's that?
You're handling with wet stuff. Be careful.
I get electrocuted. I've pretty much sandpapered the car as much as I can by hand and with an actual sander. So what I'm going to do is now prep it for priming, wipe it all down. Hopefully it doesn't rain while the primer is drying. And then hopefully in a couple of hours I can add the paint. Finishing up the taping off of everything. The weather is still, so we're going to wing it. We're going to risk it. I'm sick and tired of having to work on this car every time for the last month. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it rain, baby. We're gonna make it rain.
It's chemicals.
Oh,
Nice one, Sarpa.
you're welcome.
So good at this.
I didn't even use my goggles.
do you have to say something?
Shocking results. That freaking air thing is shit. Nozzle is shocking.
Thanks for, but he loves you still, bro. He says the machine is really good. It helped out a lot.
Dude, what? What are you talking about?
Didn't you buy that paint gun from a mate?
No, bought that from Bunnings. It's the sandpaper. The sanding tool.
Ah, so he wasn't talking shit. Alright, sweet. No worries, we can record that.
What a gun.
Because you gotta keep... Ako nga, patry. Ako nga, record mo ako.
Oh, but you gotta be gentle. Gentle, dickhead. That's enough, son. Oh, damn you! Stop it! Stop it! It's done! Stop it! That's enough! Alright, so that gun was not that great that I used. I mean, it got the whole car covered, but so much going on. See, there's like these little bubbles and flakes because the gun just was not spraying properly. So, what I'm going to do is clean out the gun with thinner, sandpaper all this, and try one more time. I think 2 coats should be okay for now, and I think I have enough just for 2 coats. And then I will add the color later. That's the one that I really cannot screw up, because that, oh, that's gonna be frustrating. So in some weird way, I've been able to actually prime the whole car. It just needs a lot of sanding to level out all these bubbles that are here. The gun was terrible. Don't buy one. But I mean, on a budget, my only concern now is the paint job, because once I start painting it, that's where it's going to be a problem. Because if it does end up running like this and having bubbles and stuff, oh, it's going to be a nightmare. It's going to be a nightmare. But at least all the ugly colors gone.
Eye of the tiger is the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rivals. And Cetro na pakapogi na talaga, grabe na talaga kapag yan jets. Si Matador Red, brother.
Hey, look at that, man.
Matador Red, brother. Ganda ng camera mo, sir, pa. That Matador Red, brother. Matador Red, brother. Look at that Matador Red, brother.
Matador Red, brother. Matador Red. Oh, fuck.
You dumb, stupid f***ing idiot. You f***ing stupid f***ing idiot. Told you I'm f***ing stupid.
Why are you so angry? I never understand it.
Told you to f***ing do this.
Oh.
F***ing stupid. You f***ing... I said, watch out. Don't get any paint on anything.
Well, on anything. I'm going to get it everywhere. That's my goal.
Because we want everything to be Matador Red. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, brother, slowly. That's it. Take your time.
I could use a little help here, sir.
Take your time, take your time.
Yes, could you hold it, please?
As you can see, the color is Matador Red. Is that the consistency you want?
Well, it's the consistency we got. Any touch-up, Serpa, we'll just have to use a spray can.
Alright.
Fuck, that looks nice. I think I can do maybe one more. Oh, damn you, don't get it dirty, you scum.
How much is an iPhone 12, Serpa?
iPhone 12? Yeah.
Because your focus is really good, man. As you can see, he's about to start the machine. Oh, I got dirty, damn it!
There's nothing coming out. Ah, there's a glitch in the matrix.
Maybe the pipe that goes down is blocked with primer.
But I cleared it.
You sure? 100% sure, son?
What happens when you
I've got nothing else to lose.
How do you like the car? Half painted or painted?
Oh, you really are a hard worker, sir. Where'd you learn that? On Helen, Uncle Tones.
On Uncle Tones.
On Helen and Uncle Tones. Oh no! Matador red, brother, Matador red. Now I'm gonna pump the tires, get it sorted, get it all on the road.
So I've run out of paint, and then water trickled down here. So I'm gonna have to do the hood again. The rest of the car, not happy with it. And see, there's bits and pieces that I ran out of paint for. This is going to require a lot of tidying up, and because of how crappy that gun was, do not recommend. I will have to buy cans. I would say I could get it done maybe 4 cans, because I pretty much layered both, like most of the car twice. Yeah, so I reckon 4 cans to touch it all up, and then a clear coat. See how we go from there. But yeah, that's pretty much the result.